Good morning, this is the exacttrades.com movers report for August 24th, 2011. Let's go ahead and get right into the trades today. First we have RENN, R-E-N-N. You can see we're gapping up here. The high pre-market's about 840. It's already starting to pull back around 8. Looking for this to open above 8, possibly 820. The higher the better. I would look at this resistance level here and see it to short this on a new low of the day from the open. Watch it on the open and look for that strong volume on the selling. Take it short. Your first profit target is going to be around 8 cents. Second profit target is going to be about 16 cents from your entry spot. And then I would trail the stop down into this area here. Going to show some strong support at 740, 735 to 740 area, and then down to 725, 728. So I see there's some pretty good money in here if it can break down through these support levels. Might see some support here at 788, so just something to watch for. If it opens below 8, I probably would just take a small position. If it opened below this 780 mark down in here, I would probably pass on it down here. So just something to watch for. Next we have AVGO. We're gapping up. Right now we're at 31.36. The high was 38.87. Have this resistance here and here. Also some more resistance at 32.42. And our support's at about 30.70. Next support's going to be about the $30 mark right there. So we're going to look to take this short off the open. Look for selling and a break to a new low of the day. It could give a bounce, so watch for that. Just set your alert. It could turn over when it breaks the new low of the day. Go ahead and take it short. First profit target is going to be about 30 cents from your entry. Take that off, and then second profit target is going to be about 60 cents from your entry, and I would trail a stop in the last piece. Again, watch this $30 mark as you come into it. Going to have a little bit more support here at 29.75, and then probably down in this area right in here, probably right around 29, 28.95. It's going to be your last bit of support, so watch for that. Next we have LZB, Lazy Boy. You can see this support level here at 7, right there. We gap down. We're starting to get a little bit of a bounce and some buying back up to this $7 mark. I'm going to look for this to open below 7. I'm going to take this short as it makes a new low of the day off the open. Make sure that you have strong volume, higher than usual volume on the selling. First profit target is going to be about 7 cents from your entry. Second is going to be about 14 cents from your entry. And then I'd trail a stop. Watch for support to be about 650. And then probably going to have some more support at 6. I doubt we would get down this far, but it's possible. Just look for that. Break down below the 650, and then I would just trail a stop down in these areas. Next we're looking at ISIL. Have some pretty good support here, just over $10. We're gapping down close to 10. Look for this to open at or above 10, and then take this short on the break below the 10. I would say right around 998, take it short. First profit target would be about 988, 989 area right there, and then at 980. I would keep a small piece below 980. Could come down into 960. Next we have DY, gapping up, looking to open around 15, 1520. Could open as low as 1453. I'm going to look to take this long off the open on the new high of the day. So look for strong buying and a move up. Take this long. First profit target is going to be 15 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 30 cents from your entry. And then I would just trail a stop up above that. Probably going to see some resistance here at 1550. Definitely at 16. And then open to 17. So once you get up over 16, I would just trail a stop. Should trend up. You know, could make it up even in the 17 area on your last small piece of your trade. Next we have ELN, gapping up to open up over this 10 mark here. Have this resistance here. I'm actually going to look to take this long over 1021, so right about there. First profit target is going to be 1031, and then about 1040 on the second piece. I would keep a small piece of your trade open to see if you can come into 1050 area. Probably going to see some pretty strong resistance at 1050. Next we have UTHR, big gap down this morning. Going to open probably around this 38. It was down to 37.50, and since then we've had a bounce up to this 41.50. I'm going to look to take this long on a move up from the open on a new high of the day, but I'm going to be patient. Give it a minute or two, see if it's going to close a little bit higher, and start small. Start with maybe a third or half a position, and then watch for a pullback. See if it can hold the low of the day or make a higher low, and then get your second half for a push above that previous high or the high of the day, the current high of the day. You're going to have that resistance that we're looking at here around 41.50. I don't know if it'll be that strong. First profit target's going to be about 40 cents from your entry. Second profit target's going to be about 80 cents, and then I would just trail a stop. Could come up into this 44 to 45 area, especially if we get some good buying in the market, if it's a strong day. Resistance, last resistance is going to be here at about 47, and that's if it fills the gap. So that's the ultimate target, is to get up into 47, but I think it's fair to say you could get 44 to possibly 45 on your last piece. So just be a little more patient if we do get this as a trend up move and we have strong buying in the market. And last we have SIGA gapping up here around 590. Could open anywhere from this 580 to around 6. I'm going to look to take this long off the open. It's a low dollar stock, so I still think you can get 1% regardless of where it opens in these areas. Just know that you're going to have some resistance here around 610. So if it opens over 6, I would wait for a break over 610 to take it long. First profit target is going to be about 6 to 7 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 12 cents from your entry, and then I would just trail a stop on the last piece. This could be another good trade to be patient and let it trend up, especially if we get a strong day in the market or we get some buying and some breakthrough the upper resistance levels. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.